Good morning, Facebook. It's Bill Paravano, the knee pain guru. Today we're going to talk about knee injections, why they don't work, what's going on, and what we could do about them. Knee injections. You're essentially have a joint that's painful, squeezing closer together, and you're taking a needle, sticking that needle in the joint. There's a couple of problems you run into when doing that. Although the intentions are good by the medical model, because the idea with the knee injection is that we're putting something in the joint to numb the pain and give the knee an opportunity to begin to heal itself. Unfortunately, what happens in many times, and I've worked with clients like this, is when a needle goes into the knee, an already painful knee, needle goes inside the knee and it hits a nerve, it causes more pain. So now you have a joint that is already painful and uncomfortable to begin with, and then you hit a nerve on the way in with the needle that causes more pain. It kind of doesn't make sense. It actually contributes to what's happening. I remember I had a client, Mary. This was in Louisville, Kentucky, and it was in her hip, and she had gotten an injection in her hip, a cortisone shot, but they hit a nerve and it caused excruciating pain. We were able to get her out of pain, but because we got the pressure off of those nerves. It's one of those things that if the joint doesn't feel comfortable, doesn't feel safe, doesn't feel supported, doesn't feel listened to. And this is because it already hurts. The knee joint already hurts. And now you stick something in it, causes pain. Sometimes there's a numbing effect. I have worked with clients. There was Vinny. He was a Border Patrol agent out of Australia that we worked together on Skype calls. And what happened was he was in a situation with his job that he was forced to get the injection in his knee. Now, they didn't hit a nerve with that, and there was a certain numbing effect that took place with the injection in the knee. But unless you have a bigger strategy on how to address the irritation of the nerves that are causing the pain to begin with, when that shot wears off, the pain's going to come back. See, there's a dysfunctional pattern that's going on in the knee joint. And that dysfunctional pattern irritates the nerves, sending a signal to your brain that you have knee pain. And if the injection numbs the nerves for a period of time so the pain isn't so acute, then we need to employ a holistic strategy in terms of continuing to calm down the nerves. So when that shot wears off, now we have more strategy, we have more leverage in terms of how we can get the knee help. And this is really it's important to understand that using a knee injection alone is not necessarily a long-term strategy to keep your knees out of pain. It's short-term. It's a Band-Aid. It's an approach that the Western medical model uses in the hopes that when the shot wears off, there'll be relief. But many times what happens, and more people, as they begin experiencing getting into that system, they realize that there isn't a solution, at least not solely with the Western medical model. There needs to be an integrated, comprehensive, holistic approach that involves other modalities, that allows the body to begin to heal itself. Otherwise, it gets into this loop where you have pain, more tension, more discomfort, more pain, more tension, more discomfort, and it just gets tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. So pretty soon, the joint wears, the joint's dehydrated, the pain gets to a level where you can no longer deal with it anymore, and then you're a perfect candidate for a knee replacement surgery. So the idea is to address these issues when we can get the knee comfortable and we can begin to set up the conditions in the knee as well as in the body so the knee heals itself. If we just focus on a very narrow scope as to how to address what's going on in the knee, you're kind of left flapping in the breeze, so to speak, and the knee doesn't get better. If you have questions, if you have comments, concerns, whatever it is, put them in the comment section below. Would love to hear what questions you have about knee injections, your experience with knee injections, and if this video is valuable in any way, please forward it to someone you know who's suffering with knee pain, because there is a natural, holistic solution approach to relieving the pain in your knees, getting your knees comfortable, and allowing you to live the life you want to live. So this is Bill Paravano, the knee pain guru, going to sign off for today. Check out the video for tomorrow. We'll be doing on another topic. If there's something you'd like to hear, put it in the comments below. We'll get to them. We'll help you out with your knees. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.